In this question, we have to identify the major products P, Q, and R in the following sequence of reactions, right? So, what is given to us is benzene plus propyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, right? So, we have to first find out the product P. So, what we are going to do is we have this propyl chloride, right? So in the propyl chloride we'll replace this Cl with ACl3, right? And then we'll shift it accordingly, right, to get this product. Then we'll add benzene to that ring, right, in order to form this. So our P is this, right? P obtained over here is, let's see which matches. These two option matches. So now we'll look at Q, right? We are oxidizing it in the presence of O3 and H2O in the heat, right? So this in reaction with oxygen will give the CH3 will be replaced by double OH, right? And with water it will react in order to give us Q as this and R as CH3 COO CH3, right? So the answer over here is 3.